All right, kids, here we go. All right, this should be the power switch. And we are off and running.